Knob State Park, and we're in North Carolina, right? We came back in. We came back in. We're in North Carolina. It was
A bitch
it was a challenge
to get here.
to get here, only because it's back a ways off of North 421 out of Boone, and we didn't trust our
GPS.
our Google Maps, because it had us on just a funky little road, but actually it was right. It just seemed like too steep, too windy, too narrow. But it would have got us here quicker. But we went around through Sutherland Road, through the town of
Which was really beautiful.
Trade. Very beautiful.
Beautiful ride.
Beautiful ride. But trust your navigation, and then check your navigation while you still got wireless. And definitely good cell service, and check it, and then so that you're kind of familiar, because we probably wasted a little bit of time. But we're here now. It's just beautiful state park.
A little chilly, but it's going to be a
Nice.
beautiful hike. The colors are incredible. Like incredible. And we're going to go, it's the Elk Knob Summit.
Summit Trail.
1.9 miles up.
Top
So-
of this mountain. We'll show you the mountain a little bit.
Yeah. So we got to getting on.
Here we go. What do you think so far?
Whew. A little hike.
It's a beautiful trail.
Yeah.
Got kind of a boulder rock trail bed, and lined with larger rocks. Just
It's beautiful.
Really pretty.
It
Plus,
is.
it's perfect. And the colors burst open this week, and it's probably what, 58 degrees.
Yeah, and the switchbacks are a little steep. You know, they were pretty gravelly on the way up to this point, and
There's
now
a
they're
steep
getting
one right
rocky.
here.
And they're getting rocky, so different little climb at this point.
Good for your heart.
Ooh, yeah. Anyway, gotta get on getting on.
Alright, so we're a half mile in, and Pumpkin's taking off layers. And she still hasn't learned to anticipate this. But
Hey,
we'll
it was
be
cold
okay.
in the parking lot.
Alright, so
It's all
what
right.
do they say? Keep old, start cold?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Alright, so
It's
bad.
only up to
This is the north view of Elk Knob. Really pretty.
windy. So pretty. That was a climb. The last little bit, you're just doing these stone steps for, I don't know, not a long way, but long enough to be like, whoa, can't wait to get to the top. Anyway, it's beautiful up here.
Pumpkin's ready for that peanut butter jelly sandwich. She's got the afterburners on. I'll keep up, honey. You go ahead. Pumpkin, are you ready for your peanut butter jelly sandwich? Are you,
I'm hungry.
you're still upset we skipped lunch up there?
Hey, girls gotta eat.
Pumpkin.
I'm great. It's a beautiful view. Well worth the hike.
Super nice hike. Super nice hike.
You doing all right?
I'm doing really good. Well, we can see the parking lot.
Yes. What a great hike.
It's one of those trails we're kind of sad it's over.
I know, we flew down it. I don't even think it took us 30 minutes to get down. It was pretty awesome.
Had the jetpacks out front.
We're hungry.
We are.
Peanut butter and jelly.
Are we?
Hey, if you do it, get you some walking sticks. I keep saying that to everybody.
Yeah.
But they're just handy. And you know what? It's super wet in some spots. And it's got a few little stairways, stone stairways, and some timber stairways.
And they're so easy to pack if you decide you don't need them. Just
Yeah.
pack them if you forget you got them.
You know what? Grab a backpack. I see people up there with nothing. It's like, aren't you going to get thirsty? That's a long way up if you're out of shape. I'm just
So,
saying.
hiker mom.
Anyway, it's a great hike. You gotta
Great
do
hike.
it. Elk
Great hike.
Knob.
Elk Knob Summit Trail.
Yeah, just beautiful.
All right.
All right, overnight. Okay, get on, get on.